and then started my career in a government establishment called General Insurance Corporation of India. Worked there for 6.5 years and then moved to Tata Group. Jamshedji Tata was a visionary and an extraordinarily committed patriot. He wanted to make India strong, India technologically advanced, scientifically advanced.
Many things Tata Groups are doing, but specifically for the environment.
Yeah, this very approach that Tata, our founder, took, build strong relationship with key communities, build relationship with society, protect the environment, protect rivers.
One or two suggestions for the policy makers or the government.
Policy makers, see, they should put targets for green energy utilization, the production and utilization for all companies, wherever it is more than 25 crores. They should put a target, however small it is.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है विकास अवस्थी और आप देख रहे हैं वीर भारत न्यास पॉडकास्ट। सदा नीरा का वो आयोजन जहां पर बात हो रही है जल की, जहां बात हो रही है पर्यावरण की, जहां बात हो रही है आपके हमारे भविष्य की। उस प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि कैसे पर्यावरण को बचाया जाएगा, कैसे आने वाली जनरेशन को हम वो सब कुछ दे सकेंगे जो हमने पाया था, यानी शुद्ध जल, अच्छी हवा, बहुत सारे पेड़, ये सब कुछ हमें कैसे मिलेगा और हम कैसे आगे ट्रांसफ़र कर पाएंगे, इस पर बात करेंगे। और इन सारी चीज़ों पर बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं टाटा ग्रुप से H.N. Srinivasan ji. Welcome you, sir, in about this broadcast. Starting your education, where to belong you. Please tell me about that.
Thank you for this opportunity. I'm H.N. Srinivas. I hail from a small village in interior Karnataka. My early life was cast in that village and the surrounding areas, which was very picturesque. It was a village on the banks of a river which is called Hemavati. And I enjoyed, the nature, that river, and those nearby forests, trees. So it was very, very, very enjoyable, very nice, very enjoyable. So I studied till my 5th standard in that village. Then we moved to Bangalore, where I continued my education. I did my master degree in social sciences, and then I joined law. I completed my LLB and LLM, and I secured a rank. And then started my career in a government establishment called General Insurance Corporation of India. Worked there for 6.5 years and then moved to Tata Group. So since then I've been with Tata Group, excepting on short break where I worked with a company called Hewlett Packard. It's a multinational company as their Asia Pac Director, Human Resources. This is a brief background about me. Now talking about Tata Group.
Yeah.
Tata Group is, as all of you are aware, the largest industrial house in India, which was set up by our founder, Jamshedji Tata.
Yeah.
Jamshedji Tata was a visionary and an extraordinarily committed patriot. He wanted to make India strong, India technologically advanced, scientifically advanced. In the year 1895-96, when people did not even use these words and terminologies, he would talk to others and people of India, leaders of India those days. How can we create and build scientific temper among the youth of India? How can we establish industries to build infrastructure in India? Industries like steel company, motor car company, and cement company. How can we do all this so that India becomes stronger?
Yeah.
He was very patriotic about India.
Yeah.
And
one thing I want to add in this, that many things Tata Groups are doing, but specifically for the environment, those steps Groups has done.
yeah.
Please tell me about that.
Yeah, this very approach that Tata, our founder, took to building businesses is to start with build stakeholder relationships, build strong relationship with key communities, build relationship with society, protect the environment, protect rivers, protect the forest surrounding your factory, and protect tribals who are living in those regions, define a relationship with those tribal people, and you need to work towards lifting their lives, contributing to their lives in such a way they also start participating in social activities like anybody else. So, set up tribal schools, he has set up colleges, he has worked with them, he has brought consultants to build bridges between the tribal communities and the Tata Steel, which was in those days when he set it up, it was a forest. So he started with that philosophy. So much so, he established a trust. And Tata Steel, those days, whatever was Tata's share in that company, some money was borrowed, some money he put it himself. He said, this company, this Tata Steel, will be owned by Tata Trust. He called it J.N. Tata Trust.
Yeah.
It is not my company. It is owned by J.N. Tata Trust. So profits will go to the trust, dividends will go to the trust, and trust will do philanthropic charitable work to contribute to the lives of people who are living in Tata Steel and surrounding communities of Tata Steel in villages, and I will ensure that their life becomes better. We build schools, we build hospitals, we take care of them. This was his philosophy from the first day. So he put a framework in place. He just didn't talk about it. He actually implemented it.
Yeah.
He worked on that, created that format, created that system where Tata companies should be owned by charitable trusts. Even today, 67% of all Tata Group is owned by charitable trusts. They have grown huge and very large. When Tata Consultancy Services employs 5 lakh people, 500,000 people world over in 58 countries. That is 68% of TCS is owned by Tata charitable trusts. And a part of profits and the entire dividends they declare and they give goes to charity work for to benefit the people of India, goes to nation building projects for the people of India.
Yeah. So as we see, we are in Sada Neera program, and Veer Bharat Nyas designed, and Mr. Sriram Tiwari has designed this whole project. This kind of platform, are they really impactful? What do you say that about? Do you think about these programs?
Which program?
Sada Neera and this kind of conferences, it will help.
It will definitely help a lot because it brings like-minded people together. We get an opportunity to know what other large companies are doing, and there are some learnings from that. We take a leaf from those learnings, improve what we are doing. Maybe it will also help them to understand what Tatas are doing. So this kind of knowledge sharing and sharing best practices, benchmarking best practices, and sometimes we come collectively together, some of us, and do some big project.
Yeah.
So all these opportunities are created by such programs.
Yeah. What do you say about the common people? I mean, what kind of tips you can give them for protecting our environment?
They should develop environment consciousness. You see, usage of plastic, they should avoid. And eating junk food, but particularly made from multinational companies, they should avoid. Understand? Saving water, they should be conscious about it. How to save water? So you can take bath in 1 bucket full of water, or you can spend 5 bucketfuls full of water and then take bath. So how can you take bath if not in 1 bucket full, 1.5 buckets? You can save water. And when you want to, so I have seen some people when they are brushing their teeth, they open the tap full. The water is going, and they are washing their hand, and the water is going. Why do you do that? That is about water. Like I can give you 20 other examples of about water. How you can don't waste water, use water.
Yeah.
And number 2, electricity. When you are not using a particular room, switch off the electricity. No. In hotels, we implemented that. Whichever area is not being used, we introduced automatic systems through some properly crafted electronic algorithms and all that, that wherever people are not there, electricity automatically switches off. AC gets switched off.
Okay.
And if somebody enters there, everything gets switched on. You see, all photoelectric or different methods we use to ensure that we save current. Like I was mentioning about power quality management. Power quality, they do an analysis of how you are utilizing your power, and they suggest innovative ways of how to reduce, control usage of power. So these are some steps that everybody can take,
Yeah.
in their daily life to contribute to environment in their own little way. Save water, save electricity, and don't pollute the air. And these are all things that we can always do, no?
Yeah, so this is about for common people, but one or two suggestions for the policy makers or the government.
Policy makers, see, they should put targets for green energy utilization, the production and utilization for all companies, wherever it is more than 25 crores. They should put a target, however small it is. See, if he is using energy of, let us say, 0.25 megawatt, you should be told 0.25 megawatt, your 5% of that should be from green energy. Set up a biogas plant. Okay, or set up a solar in top of your roof. So use that solar plant. So, and the target should, when he goes to 50 crores, the target increases. When he becomes a bigger company, the target goes up. Like if all companies get a target like this, and it is made easy to set up rooftop solars and all that, much more easier than what it is today, then more and more, it gathers momentum. More and more people will start using it. For policymakers, this is one option. And then converting waste into energy, like I said, biogas. See, in an apartment complex where there are 200 flats, and let us say 200 into 3 or 4, some 750, 800 people are living there. So there is a lot of waste that is generated. You sort the waste, remove plastics, and organic waste. There are companies which will guide you and help you to set up a biogas plant. It is possible. Are you not doing it? Why are you not doing it? It should be made mandatory. That means they have to put some little money to make that gas plant. No, why should I bother? So, translating, converting waste into energy, into biodegradable energy.
Yes.
Number 2. And then power quality, I told you. Number 3. And then the power quality management applies to shops and office complexes, theaters, and shopping malls, and residential flat buildings. Everything it applies. If you want to do it, you can do it.
Yes.
So, and then government should encourage green energy production and give enormous subsidies. See, they should, and it should be traded like currency. If you have gathered some carbon credits and government has certified you have 2,000 carbon credits, you should be at some stage able to get a subsidy or a concession when more easily you can get a loan in a bank.
Yeah.
Because you have gathered carbon credits, and you can trade it with something else. You will get power connections faster.
Yeah, definitely. So you mean to say that carbon credits are the more important thing is now, and we should discuss about that.
Yeah, they can. See, if carbon credits are made tradable, or people are encouraged to gather and accumulate carbon credits, it becomes a currency.
Yeah, right. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time, and definitely you are giving many tips for common people and the policy makers. I hope it will give some hope and some new path for saving Paryavaran, for environment, or not only for environment, for today, for future also. So thank you so much. You gave us time. आप भी याद रखिए कि कुछ कार्बन क्रेडिट्स अगर आप बचाएंगे तो आपको बहुत कुछ मिल सकता है. तो ये पॉलिसीज में आना चाहिए, लेकिन उससे पहले छोटी छोटी चीजें जो आप कर रहे हैं, बिजली बचाना, पानी बचाना, ये जरूर करिए. आज से ही करिए. ये बनाएंगे हमारी दुनिया का नया भविष्य. So thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you. Thanks for. And then started my career in a government establishment called General Insurance Corporation of India. Worked there for 6.5 years and then moved to Tata Group. Jamshedji Tata was a visionary and an extraordinarily committed patriot. He wanted to make India strong, India technologically advanced, scientifically advanced,
many things Tata Groups are doing, but specifically for the environment.
Yeah, this very approach that Tata, our founder, took, build strong relationship with key communities, build relationship with society, protect the environment, protect rivers.
One or two suggestions for the policy makers or the government.
Policymakers, see, they should put targets for green energy utilization, the production and utilization for all companies, wherever it is more than 25 crores. They should put a target, however small it is.